Hello Entry 2 students. Today we're going to look at 7 tips for a tidy desk. So you are going to practice your reading today. And the first thing you need to think about is, well, what does 7 tips for a tidy desk mean? So what does tips mean? And a tip is something that is good. So it's a good thing to do. So here we have 7 good things to do. So they are giving you advice on how to keep your desk tidy. So you can either do this on your mobile or laptop. If I scroll down, you can see you can follow the instructions and do it here, or you can do it on the worksheet that I'm going to give you. So you also have the worksheet. So if you prefer, you can write it on a piece of paper, or you can do it online. I don't mind, it's your choice. The first thing you need to do is to complete the sentences here. So you have the words desk, smartphone, folders, tray, space, notice board, bin, and scanner. Do you know all these words? If you know them, you'll be able to do this easily. I will do the first one with you. So it says here, put your rubbish in the. So do we want to put our rubbish in the desk? Doesn't make sense, does it? So which one is it? Yes, you're right. It's bin. So put your rubbish in the bin. So the first thing they want you to do is complete the sentences. After that, they want you to read 7 tips for a tidy desk. And here you can see you have 7 tips. Let's look at the language here. On number 1, it says only keep, let's try and there you go. Only keep things you really need on and near your desk. That's point number 1. Let's look at the language here. It says keep. Here is don't keep, reduce, scan, use, get, clean. These are all verbs, and they are imperative verbs. They are like orders. Stand, sit, don't talk, don't eat. So they're like orders to tell you what to do. And we use these imperative verbs when we want to give advice, or when we want to give you an order, tell you what to do, like a warning, for example, don't smoke, or we want to give you instructions on how to do something. So those are 3 uses of the imperative. So if you see a verb like this in your reading, you know it's going to be to either give an order, give instructions, or to give advice. And here we have 7 tips to give advice for a tidy desk. So you need to read these, and then you have to check your understanding, and so you need to circle true or false for these sentences. True or false for these sentences. So I'll do the first one with you. It says you should put everything you will possibly need on your desk. Do you think that's true or false? Well, it's definitely false. If we go back up here, it says, only keep things you really need on and near your desk. So we don't want to put everything on our desk. So it's false. So this is what you need to do. Next is answer all the questions. And then it wants you to check your understanding. So you need to put the correct phrases and sentences under do or don't. So here it says, keep pens and pencils in a jar. Do you think that is do or don't? Well, I think it's do. And I'm sure if I go back up here, it will tell me. Oh yes, look, have a jar for pens and pencils. And we also have a picture here so that we can see that our pencils are in some sort of holder or container. Always use the pictures to help you if you don't understand. Okay, so that is what I want you to do at home. Thank you very much. Bye bye.